So welcome to another Learn Clojure video. So in this video, we are going to see how to split large programs in Clojure. Look, a file about like 100 lines or maybe, look, if you're comfortable, maybe a file even with 500 lines is okay, right? But if you're not comfortable, maybe you can split a file into multiple files so that like it's more easy to read and it's more understandable and so on. So in that case, you might decide to split a large file and have it into multiple files with some kind of logical naming or something like that. So we are going to see how to do that. So yeah. So let me just go to my RIPL over here. Okay, like my VS Code over here. So and let me put a new program. Right. So let me save it as what to say calculator.clg. So we are going to write a calculator, a very simple one. So okay, right. Okay, now let me just launch my Ripple. Okay, now let me what to say link this Ripple to my VS Code. Okay, connect to. I think I need to do this one. Connect to a running Ripple node in this project. Of course, it's Liningen and it's localhost, and I need to copy this port number 52744. Right. So and yeah, so hopefully Ripple works. I don't need the terminal anymore, right? So now let me just try something over here. Okay, it works, right? So let me make it bigger and let me copy the entire program and put it over here, right? So yeah, I need to make the pointer bigger so that you people can follow well, right? So okay, fine. So let me just copy the entire program. But if yeah, if you're learning, please do type it by yourself so that I don't know, by typing yourself, I don't know. I feel like okay, by typing it, I can learn properly, right? So if that's the case for you, yeah, then do type it, right? So you've got this calculator.clg. So what I'm just doing is like, yeah, let me just load this add, let me load this sub, load this variable A and load this variable B. And now let me just execute the statement. 5 plus 3 is 8. Recently, this is how Canva prints, but in reality, that's not the case. And A minus option, and okay, so it's 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so yeah, let me just, what to say, oops, where is my terminal? Okay, fine. I just want to put the terminal and show you like, okay, oh my god. Okay, focus on terminal tab view. Let me just put another terminal over here, right? So yeah, and then just run it. Okay, so clj calculator.clj, and okay, I don't know what's happening, right? Oops, I think I need to. I didn't save it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I didn't save it. Yeah, fine. So oh here, look, it just prints really okay. Like 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 minus 3 is 2. But for some reason, if you're using Canva, it prints like this. And I did see in Canva blog why it's happening so. But yeah, like I didn't read the article in full. But yeah, there might be some reason Canva is doing that. But yeah, I think it's still good enough, right? So that's the thing. So you've got this calculator. So how to split this program, right? So now I'll just what to say like take these stuff. Okay, so okay, like these stuff, right? And put a file like okay, like save it as calc underscore lib dot clj, right? That means calculator library, right? And yeah, I don't want this one. A is 5 and b is 3. So this just holds what to say, like the function definitions, right? So that's the thing. And yeah, fine. Yeah, it's good. It's auto completing a lot of stuff, right? So okay, next I'll just put another file called calc UI, right? So calc UI.clg. So this is where, yeah, you'll see the user outputs like 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2 and all those things. Okay, so right, so now it's not auto completing. I don't know, right? Calc UI dot okay, oops, yeah, dot clg. Right now, I just need to what to say, take this and put it over here. And of course, it won't work because, like, look, there is no add and there is no sub over here, right? So, oops. Okay, yeah, this thing works over here because add and sub were being defined before, like, what to say, it was being defined in calculator, right? So, okay, how to reload Ripple? Okay, reload Clojure Ripple. Okay, I've never tried that. Uh, okay, okay. So refresh. Okay, so let me just try that. So I've never done this before, right? So option enter. Oops. Okay, right. So maybe I need to do this one. Okay, so yeah. So no, even this is not working. Okay, let me just stop and start the ripple. Okay, like okay, like disconnect from Ripple server. Okay, now I need to connect it to Ripple server once again, right? Right. Okay, like right. So where is my terminal? Let me copy the port number and then I just want to connect to Ripple, right? Okay, now hopefully, yeah, like if I execute this, okay, I just get A, B, and now I get, oh, I don't know how it works. I really don't know how it works. It shouldn't work. Okay, it's still in CLJ user. Okay, so it's not in. Okay, so I think I need to totally, what to say, take out the ripple. Like, okay, let me just put Control D. So the ripple is not there, right? So let me just put lean ripple. So I think it is being loaded in lean. This ripple, this add and sub is being loaded in this ripple. So that's why it's just not throwing error for this println a plus b is add ab because there is no add and sub over here, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, I've just restarted the ripple. Hopefully it fixes. But if it doesn't, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, right? So ripple. Okay, Leningen and then localhost and then this one, right? So, right, okay. So now let me just try it. Okay, A, B, and then this add. Now it's syntax error and it's syntax error. So you need to somehow, what to say, like require this calclip OSHA, right? So to do that, there is a function called load file. Okay, so let me just do that. Okay, load file. Calclip.clj. Yeah, that's good. Let me put option enter, right? Now, once again, if I just execute this one, println a plus b, it executes. And if I what to say, do this println a minus b, it executes. So this is how you can break a large program into many programs. But yeah, like, but practically, like, one thing is that, like, what to say, like, if you're what to say, if you practice closure well enough, you will soon what to say, doing projects with Leningen or something like that, where this thing like load file is almost obsolete. You might never ever use it because the project itself knows where all the files are, and you can just require it in a very neat way. So that's how. But yeah, for now, yeah, this is okay. If you want to write just a very small program with just 5 files or something like that, it's better to just have a file that interfaces with users, and just load all other files over here, and so that everything works together. So that's how it is. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Bye.